Just about a minute to go for the market open, and we can then start to look at prices as they start to come up on your screens. What do we have? A couple of seconds, actually. The Nifty will come up, Nifty Bank, mid and small cap indices. Then we'll get down to individual stocks. The opening is, the indicative is about a 60-odd point lower start. What do we have? So 25,150, 25,140, it's about 0.12% lower. Nifty Bank is down about 0.09, so nothing very much at start. The mid-cap index is flattish. The small-cap index is up about 0.14% or so as well. So, yeah. So stocks are still opening. So you just had about 900, 800 stocks on advances and declines. And I think we should be able to look at it in about a minute, 2 minutes to get a better sense. More down than up, but nothing overwhelming in that sense. Bharti, Tech Mahindra, Adani on one side, Trent, SBI, Adani Ports on the other side is what you had. Remember, the Adani Group stocks all had a massive run from last Friday. Monday, big move. Yesterday, of course, they all pulled back between 3 and 4%. So keep an eye out on that as well. But this is the open, about a 50 or 55 point lower start. And we're, within the first 1 minute of market open. Survi.
Okay, so 57 down. Let's see what all is down. Hero Moto, Bajaj Auto, Aisha, Tata Motors. So basically, auto is cooling off. Let's see where Maruti is. Maruti is actually bucking the trend. There's a little bit of a green on Maruti, about 30 to 35 rupees up on Maruti right now, thanks to the broker calls. Some of the bigger banks are weak. ICICI Bank, Axis, both on the lower side, losing about 0.5% to about 0.7%. HDFC Bank also slightly lower. So banks on the lower side as well. Then what else is correcting? Bharti, Airtel, L&T, Tata Steel is on the lower side. There's some profit taking on Eternal as well this morning. Titan is lower. So it's actually, a clutch of different sectors. The outliers on the upside would be Trent. Trent is seeing some traction, 1.3% up on Trent right now. There's Asian Paints, which is managing 0.5% of an up move. And SBI is bucking the overall banking weakness. Most of your private sector banks are lower today. SBI up about 0.7%. But yeah, the Nifty is still nursing a cut of around 70 points, Nigel.
Well, that's right. A few stocks that are actually calling for special attention in today's trading session. You have MotoCorp. They've released their vision for 2030. They're looking at scaling the revenues by around 3.5 times. They're talking about margin improvement. They're talking about the net debt to equity number to decline to 0.3 from around 0.6. And ROCE to move up from 20% to 25%. Street likes their vision. Execution is going to be important. Motilal Oswal, they have come out with a note on Lotus developers. They have a target price of around 250 rupees. The street likes that. They're finding that note, of good consequence. In fact, they see good rationale, it seems. For the time being, the stock on large volumes is up. Lotus developers is the stock that we're talking about. So that comes up for you on the screen. A couple of other names. Wheels India, we saw a large trade out there. So the stock is up 7.5% higher. One of my colleagues had pointed that out. Dilip Bilkon, good news coming in there. That stock is up close to around 3%. And Borosil Limited, that one as well is up and about in today's trading session, up close to around 5%. Bajaj Consumer, I'm not sure what's gone on there, whether there is some kind of a corporate action or it's gone X something. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Stock is down close to around 6% as we speak. So that's one notable loser in today's trade. And Ashok Leyland as well, after seeing good buying yesterday, falling on decent volumes, down 3%.
All right. I think that's basically what we have as far as market open is concerned. We'll have more coming up as we go along. So Nifty at about 25,100. We're down about, 66 odd points. And just sort of settling down. More action in just a bit. Gautam.